The DJI Mavic Air has caused quite a stir in the drone world. It's super light, portable and it shoots in 4K video, which has left many wondering how it stacks up against its big brother, the DJI Mavic Pro, and ultimately which they should choose. Well, both drones are awesome, so the honest answer is it depends on how you plan to use it. But in this video, we'll run through the features of each and take a look at the footage we captured on both drones to compare. Let's first take a look at the Mavic Pro, which has the more expensive RRP of the two. It's got the longer flight time at 27 minutes, it's the heavyweight of the two at 734 grams and it's bigger in size when folded. It measures 83 by 83 by 198 millimeters. It's got a 3-axis gimbal and it shoots video in 4K, as well as support for 1080p and slow-mo. It's got a 12 megapixel camera and the Mavic Pro has a transmission range of 4.3 miles or 7 kilometers with a top speed of 40 miles per hour, and it's got a micro SD card slot. In comparison, the Mavic Air is designed to be the most portable drone in the DJI line that shoots at 4K, and here's how it stacks up. It's got a shorter flight time of 21 minutes and it weighs in at a super lightweight 430 grams and it's smaller too than the Pro when folded. It measures in at 49 by 83 by 168 millimeters. It's the smallest, lightest DJI drone to house a 3-axis gimbal and it shoots video in 4K as well as support for 1080p and slow-mo. With a 12 megapixel camera, the Mavic Air has a transmission range of 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers, so not as much as the Pro, and it has a top speed of 40 miles per hour. A nice touch which the Air adds in that the Pro doesn't is the 8 gigabytes of internal storage, perfect for those occasions when you run out of space on location or forget your card. That's in addition to the SD card slot. And the Air is the first to include a USB-C port for accessing data you record direct to the drone. Both drones come with a controller and can also be controlled via the DJI Go 4 app. So that's how they look on paper, but let's compare the footage each captures. The model you opt for will depend on your intended use. The Mavic Air is a great option if you want a lightweight and more portable drone which can capture 4K footage at a lower price point in a smaller form factor, whilst the Mavic Pro ticks the boxes if you're after a longer flight time and you need a bigger transmission range. You can see more from both of these drones and the others in the DJI range in our drone buyer's guide, which is on our YouTube channel, and you can buy your drone today at scan.co.uk.